Hey everyone, this is Carla R. Jenkins. So, if you've been following me, you would know that today, Friday, July 26, 2024, I officially passed my Oracle Cloud Generative AI Professional certification. This is technically my fourth certification, fourth different type of Oracle certification. I first passed my Oracle Cloud Foundation Associate in 2020. Then I recertified in 2021, and then I got the most recent one last year in 2023, but it's essentially the same certification. I then received my multi-cloud associate last year in July, and then my AI foundation associate in August of 2023, within a week of it coming out. So this is my fourth one, but my first one that is expert level. And I took it as part of a free promotion. Um, give you two takes, and it's good from now until July 31st. I've been talking about this for over 3 months. However, I passed 32 out of 40, which is 80%. The minimum you have to get out of 40 questions is a 26 or 65%, and they give you 90 minutes to finish. They give you free exam prep training as well as two takes on the certification for the promotion. However, I'm going to give you the story behind it. This is actually my second take. I was originally supposed to pass my exam on Wednesday night. However, my mother had to be out of town. I had to watch her dog because it was an emergency. It just happened. So, okay, I watch it. That dog wore me out. So I said, I lay down at 7. I put my alarm for like 9 and 9:30. My appointment was at 10:30 p.m. on Wednesday. I didn't wake up until 11:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, so I was a no-show. So since I was up, I actually had to go back and use the second try. And I tried because it was within a week of the end of the promotion. So the first time I got something in Eastern Time for the 24th, which was the next day, was later today, it evaporated as soon as I got to the fourth thing. So I tried it. I went and used different time zones. So I used Johannesburg, which is 6 hours ahead. That evaporated in the middle of me registering. Then I believe I got, I think, Pacific or Mountain, one of those. But that evaporated. So I had to go all the way to Pago Pago. And for those who don't know, Pago Pago is the 24th and final time zone. So there's 24 time zones because 24 hours a day. And that was the final one. So I managed to get that at 6:30 a.m. Pago Pago time, which is 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time today on Friday. I managed to get to the I managed to get into the Oracle Cloud. It took me two cracks at it because the first time I got in, it hung. So I was sitting there. I got all the way in there. They said that my camera was used by another device or Skype or Zoom. So I had to unplug the camera, plug it back in, and I respooled it. Tried to refresh it. So I had to get out of that. Within the 30-minute time frame window to start, go back into my email, click the check-in button again. Since I already downloaded the screen, like shutdown screen, I just went in and clicked on everything worked for the exam, go in there, and it had my place. But that's something that isn't the first time that happened to me. So if you're taking an Oracle Cloud exam, because they use through Zoom, and I use Google Chrome, make sure if it hangs for 3 to 5 minutes and it doesn't let you in, the proctor doesn't, exit that out and then use the check-in again, because they're only going to give you a 30-minute window between that and time. So mostly they'll let you check in 30 minutes before and then the first 30 minutes. But I make sure that I always do it as soon as I can check in because of things like that. However, I managed to make it You also have to have a notebook for Oracle Cloud because it's a number it's like a number code that you have to enter in order to access your test. So I passed it 32 out of 40. I would always recommend, since it's expert level, I would recommend that you first take the Oracle Cloud AI Foundation Associate. That's forever free beyond this free promotion when it ends July 31st. It's always free. They currently have the 2023, but they're in the process of updating the 2024. However, that version will most likely be free too. It gives you a better understanding and a foundational understanding, basic understanding of Oracle Cloud Artificial Intelligence. It's a very well put together free training. It's unproctored, so you can take it whenever, and it's just having basic knowledge. And also, Oracle is a top 5 cloud. After doing that, then I would recommend you going for the Oracle Cloud Generative Artificial Intelligence, because this is not basic level. This had dot product, cosine similarity, had vectors. Therefore, if you didn't know linear algebra, if you didn't know calculus, because vectors like eigenvector, that's, I believe, calculus 3. That I took calculus 1, 2, and 3 and linear algebra, so I have the background for it. But it was a lot of more advanced concepts than just artificial. What's the definition of artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning versus generative artificial intelligence? That's in AI Foundations Associate, which is why I recommend you take that first before jumping into this. However, I'm very, very happy that this is my first Oracle Cloud expert level certification. And just the fact that my goal this 2024 has been building out my generative artificial intelligence. This is very hopeful certification, especially for the free promotion. I'm very happy about it. But I wanted to come on here, thank everyone for the support. For all of the resources and the encouragement. I'll also post my Medium article. Now it's proprietary because I do give you additional information about my study tips as well as the resources I use to pass my certification in there, along with just the fact that I wanted to give you background if you are taking Oracle Cloud exams, what to look out for when you're dealing with Zoom. So, yeah, all well that ends well. I passed. Very happy about that. Uh, for everything, connect with me on LinkedIn at linkedin.in/Carl R. Jenkins, and then check me out on Medium at carlrjenkins.medium.com. I would like to thank our live and replay viewers for taking out the time to watch my live stream, and I'll see everybody in the next live stream video. Thank you very much.